She cut the lemon into pieces and left it by the bed. The results she saw the next day completely surprised her. This is not just any experiment. This is the new, sweet side of the lemon that you've always known about but have never tried up to this point. A lemon is not just a sour yellow fruit that we add to tea to give it some flavor. It has many properties that are not talked about, which is a shame. In addition to the fact that it is rich in vitamins, magnesium, and iron, we can use it to freshen up a room or to disinfect wounds. We put together 8 different lemon applications for you to look over. It turns out that this unusual fruit can be used not only in the kitchen. It is also useful in the bathroom. It's worth it to have in your first aid kit. 1. Air freshener. Lemon works perfectly as an air freshener. If you're using it for this purpose, it's best not to choose a fully ripened fruit. Later, it's enough to just cut them into quarters, place them on a plate, pour a little salt over them and put them by your bed for the entire night. The sliced lemon acts like an inhaler, making it easier for us to breathe at night. It also cleans negative energy from the air. 2. Improves your mood. Not everyone knows that lemon is used in aromatherapy. According to research from experts in this field, the smell of lemon's essential oils give you energy and significantly improves your mood. To feel the effects of lemon's aromatherapy, just put a few lemon slices on a saucer on your desk at work, for example. You will notice the difference after just a moment. 3. Regulates blood pressure. When our blood pressure is jumping around like crazy and is difficult to stabilize, it means that we should drink more lemonade. Lemon water, drunk just after getting out of bed, will significantly reduce your blood pressure, stabilizing it calmly. 4. Nourishes and brightens nails. When you have issues with brittle, weak nails that have lost their natural color and are unhealthy, use this homemade treatment. This acidic fruit will help you get rid of the ugly discoloration left on your nails after painting them for a long time with dark nail polishes. How do you make the mixture that will whiten your nails? Combine 3 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and then soak your nails in the mixture. And that's it. For better results, repeat this a few times. 5. Fights off a cold. When you're getting sick, you must take care of yourself with lemon. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of this fruit will become your allies in the fight against a sore throat. Just start gargling with lemon juice and water to quickly get rid of the pain and scratchy feeling. 6. Softens harsh, rough skin. If the skin on your elbows or knees is toughened, treat it with a homemade lemon mask. Add the juice from 1 lemon to a package of baking and apply it to the harsh skin. Wait a few minutes and rinse it with water and lemon juice. Dry it and lather on some oil. You'll see the results immediately. 7. Removes dandruff. Do you struggle with dandruff and have spent a fortune on various remedies? Try this. Take a cup with a few spoonfuls of lemon juice with you into the shower. Massage the juice thoroughly into your scalp, leave it in for a while, and then rinse it out. After some time, if you still need it, repeat the treatment. 8. Disinfects wounds. If you do not have any hydrogen peroxide or any other disinfectant around, you can use a lemon. Soak a cotton swab with a few drops of lemon juice and apply it to the injury, holding it there for a minute.